Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to floss today. In your starter kit, we gave you some threaders and some floss. So using these two items, I'm going to be teaching you how to do so. So you'll get your threader, you'll get about this much floss, and then like a needle and a thread, there's a little hole right here that you'll just put it right through. You put the floss right through, and if you did it correctly, it should stay. You could wiggle it and it won't come out. So depending on where you want to floss, you're gonna put the other end on that part. So if you want to floss in between here, you're gonna head it through like that. And then you'll grab one end and you'll keep pulling the other. If you did it correctly, you will thread the floss right through your teeth, right through your wire. And then you'll just go up and down, and then gently you just pull it out. If you put too much force, you will break a bracket. You do not have to put any force whenever flossing. You just have to be gentle. After that, after you floss in between all your teeth, you will brush. So whenever you're brushing, you're gonna have to brush on top, rotate it, and do the bottom. And then you'll do circles all around, like so. And then same thing on the bottom, the top, and in circles.